Yeah, my boys, welcome to another video. Here you guys can see we have a different version of Profit Club, a new bot. This bot is totally automatic, which is working online on our site. Each and everything is automatic, as you guys know. Now keep watching. Here is the site where we have the live bot. Now we're going to give an input settings. Look here. Today we're going to trade VIX 100 index with 50 trades, 0.5 lot size. Yeah, my boys, here you guys can see. Keep an eye on the bot, how actually the bot work, how actually bot analyze the market and take the trades. So each and everything is in front of you. There is no need any MT5 file, any MT5 EX5, any MT5 bot to load on your MT5. You just need to have details of our special new AI based bot. You just need to have details. Put the detail in website, click on login. When you see the notification of started, come to MT5 and see. Look here, the bot has started opening trades. The buy position, it will take 50 trades. You can manually operate it if you want to input 50 lot, 10 trades, 20 trades, 5 trades, 3, 4. It's all up to you, up to your equity, up to your capital, up to your investment. Now you people see here, the bot took buy positions. Now it's keep opening trades. Here you guys can see 50 trades front of you guys. The bot has took. Is waiting for a market. Once the market give us profit, step by step. Here you guys can see the bot is still executing more trades to fulfill a number of 50 trades with 0.5 lot size. If you guys don't have much capital, please don't try it with our lot size and with our trade numbers. You just go with our instructions and make good profit with different indexes. This bot can work on volatility index, a boom and crash, and also on forex major currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Japanese Yen, NZD USD, USD CHF, Euro USD. These all trades by bot. Here you guys can see the bot is holding trade. We pause the video. Okay, it will take much time to record the whole video. So time to time we show you what's the progress on this trade. Here you guys can see the bot started making money and it started increasing the balance and making profit. It's going upward here. The buy position the bot took, it's all automatic. You just need to have the instruction, follow the guideline, go inside, input your details, your derivative account number, your MT5 password, your derivative server. Just connect with our bot, click on login. Once done, you will receive a notification of started. Come to your MT5. Make sure you keep open your MT5 terminal. If it's in a mobile, if it's in any other device, Windows, your PC, laptop, Mac, any device can operate this bot, because this is not EX5, this is a live bot. Here you people see the chart. The bot is holding this trade, the profit. Here you people see The profit and loss is in front of you guys. Our target is 50 trades. What will be outcome? It's all in front of you. It's totally automatic. The bot decision when it will cut the trades, when it will execute more trades or may hold trades, and after completing the 50 trades target, after completing the 50 trade target and making profit or loss, the bot will automatically stop. Yeah, it will never update automatically again. You just need to go change the pair, number of trades, and start again and play again. Here you people see it's $72 in profit. It's near to $100. Yeah, look here guys, just in second the bot close all trade. This is the power. Let's move on site and see. The bot is stopped. Here see again it's asking login. The bot is stopped. So this is the power of this system. It's totally automatic guys. It's a really powerful system. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to have this system, chat with our team, check the description. Thank you.